I feel like nobody is really talking about this, so that's why I decided to record this video. Alright, so as the title says, trading is hard. What should we do about it? That's exactly what I'm gonna discuss with you guys today. But before we start, please let me know down below in the comment section, what do you find hard in trading? What's the biggest obstacle you have right now that you cannot go past? Let me know down below. I'm very curious to see. Maybe we can all help each other. Okay. So, what should we do when we feel that trading is hard and that we are in the same place? What should we do about it? Because, in my opinion, everyone goes through this. Like, nobody is born clever in this industry. You know, like you cannot say, "Oh, I'm starting trading today and next week I'm gonna be as profitable as a trader that's been at it for 6 7 years." It's not possible, and it will never be. So what should we do about it? Because we all go through it. I went through it. I still go through it sometimes. You know, it's normal. It's part of the game. That's the risk we have to take if we decide to go with this route and try to become a full-time trader. That's the risk we sign up for. So, first of all, ask yourself, are you ready for this risk? If yes, then okay, you're ready. Now that you're ready, how do you handle it when it occurs? Because, as I mentioned, every single trader has to overcome some obstacles at some point and then go on from there. Okay, what should we do when we think that trading is very hard? Well, to be honest, just note down. That's what I would do. Note down whatever you think is very hard at the moment. Is it maybe you want to pass a FTMO challenge and you feel like you can't? Maybe you haven't yet found a profitable strategy. Maybe you find it really hard to stick to a risk management plan. It can be either of those. There's so many possibilities. That's why I just wanted to know what your issues are, and that's why I said to let me know down below. But whatever those are, as I said, I would recommend to note them down on a white paper and then just look at them. Let's say, I don't know, let's say it's about a strategy. You haven't yet found a profitable strategy. You know that I haven't yet found a profitable strategy. Now that you have it in front of you, you will see that you will feel a lot better about it because it's right there in front of you. It's right there. The problem is right there. Now all you have to do is tackle it. How do you tackle it? Then you know below it how you want to tackle it. Well, of course, if I don't have a profitable strategy yet, what can I do to have one? What can I do to overcome this, to pass this obstacle? And then you start noting, well, I can um, I can watch some more YouTube videos. I can combine strategy X with strategy Y and strategy Z, and then do a 3 month backtest on TradingView. Um, I can also join this course that I have in mind. And then after you write down all these solutions, you then start going after them because there's no shortcut. Okay, there's no shortcut, there's no holy grail. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. It's all about the problems that we have and then how we take care of them. So note it down. You have the problem there, and then underneath the problem you will write some possible solutions for it, because maybe solution A won't work, but maybe solution B will work. Maybe after you will combine the strategies that you already know and then do a 3 month backtest, at the end of the backtest you will see that this new strategy that you developed is now profitable. And now you have your problem solved. Maybe it's risk management that you're struggling with. Write it down. My problem is risk management. I cannot manage my risk properly. Well then, what can you do about it? Maybe it's because you are risking too much. Maybe it's because you are putting too much money on your trading account and you are afraid of losing it. Then a simple solution for that would be to withdraw the majority part and only leave a amount that you are very comfortable losing. Trust me, this can be a very quick fix. All I want to say is that there's a solution for everything. There's a solution for everything, and it is normal. Again, it is normal to find it hard. I know that a lot of people make it look super easy, but trust me, it's not. Of course, maybe for the people that are in this business for 5, 10, 15 years, of course, for them it's going to be a lot easier than for a newbie. That's just how the way it is with everything in life. Okay, you cannot compare a 15-year-old athlete with a athlete that just started playing basketball, for example. Okay, it's the same exact thing with trading as well. So that's exactly what I would recommend you guys to do. Now, of course, it is totally up to you. But when you think that trading is hard, when you find it hard, get a white paper, write down what do you think it's hard, what do you find hard, and then below the problem, you write down the possible solutions. And after that, you start testing them, because there's no way around it. There's no way you can know, oh, this solution will 100% work. No, there's no 100%. Okay, it's something that you have to try and then find out. Through failure, you will be able to find out what works. Okay, don't worry about it. We only have to be right once. This quote stuck to me, and I always try to remember it whenever I fail, because I also fail. Okay, I also have things that I try and don't go my way, and it's 100% normal. The sooner we understand this, the better. But I always tell myself, okay, man, I only have to get this right once. Okay, after you get this right once, the same goes with the strategy. Yes, you might be testing hundreds of strategies and most of them are not profitable, but then once you find out that profitable strategy that is suitable for you, then that's all you need. So always have the end goal in mind, show up, be disciplined, and try to tackle these problems. Okay, because sooner or later, no matter how good of a trader you are, no matter how experienced you are, trading will always seem hard from time to time. Okay, and I just wanted to make this video because I know that there's people out there that maybe trade for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years and still struggle. And I want to say that I highly respect you for still going at it, because most people quit after the first month, really. And I totally get it why. I'm not saying that I don't respect the people that quit. Maybe Forex is not for you, but for the people that decided to go at it and still try, hands down, I have all my respect for you guys. Okay, and since you sign up for this, for the risk, because trading is a risk at the end of the day, now you have to tackle your problems. Okay, and always think that there's always a solution. All right, always be positive about it. Try to find joy in solving these problems. You know, that's gonna help you tremendously. Okay, and yeah, that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was more of a real talk video, not a strategy type of video. But if you guys enjoy this type of content, please make sure you are subscribed, as I will post very consistently every single week. And I think that you guys don't want to miss out on them. And as always, I will see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.